Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of fast food ordering. You know, it's not just about getting a meal, it's a whole experience, right? I mean, think about it. When you walk up to that counter, it's like stepping into a mini adventure. You're faced with choices, decisions, and sometimes even a bit of pressure. Like, do I want the Big Mac combo? Or should I try something new?
Yeah, it's like a game show, right? You're standing there, and it's like, what will I choose? I mean, I always feel like I'm on the spot. What if I pick the wrong thing?
Exactly. And that's where the art of ordering comes in. It's almost like a negotiation. You're not just ordering food, you're crafting an experience. For instance, when they ask if you want to upsize your fries and drink, it's like they're giving you a chance to elevate your meals. It's a little nudge, like, hey, why not treat yourself?
Right. And then there's the whole thing about sauces. I mean, who knew there were so many options? It's like a flavor buffet. I always get overwhelmed. What's your go-to sauce? Laughs.
Oh, I'm a honey mustard fan for sure. It's that perfect balance of sweet and tangy. But you know, it's interesting. Sauces can really change the game. Think about it. You could have the same chicken nuggets, but with different sauces. It's like a whole new dish.
That's so true. It's like how some people can make a meal out of just dipping sauces. I once went to a party where they had a sauce tasting. Can you imagine? Just sauces everywhere. Laughs.
Haha, that sounds amazing. A sauce tasting party could be a culinary adventure. You could have a whole theme around it, like around the world in sauces. You could have barbecue from the South, teriyaki from Japan, and tzatziki from Greece.
Wow, that's a wild idea. I'd totally attend that. But back to ordering, what about the pressure of deciding on drinks? I mean, Coke is classic, but sometimes I feel adventurous and want to try something different.
Ah, the drink dilemma. It's like the cherry on top of your meal. You know, I once went to a fast food place that had a machine with over 100 drink options. I felt like a kid in a candy store. But it can be overwhelming, right?
Oh, for sure. I mean, what if I pick something weird? Like, what if I accidentally get a weird flavor of soda? I'd be stuck with it. Laughs.
Haha, that's the risk we take. But it's all part of the adventure. And let's not forget about the Happy Meal. It's not just for kids. It's like a nostalgic trip back to childhood.
Right. I mean, who doesn't love a toy with their meal? It's like a surprise. But do you think they should have adult Happy Meals? Like with cool gadgets or something?
Oh, absolutely. Imagine an adult Happy Meal with a mini gadget or a fun collectible. It could be a hit. And speaking of surprises, have you ever had a meal that just blew your mind?
Yes. I once had a burger with peanut butter on it. It sounds weird, but it was incredible. It's like a sweet and savory explosion. Laughs.
That's the beauty of food. Sometimes the craziest combinations turn out to be the best. It's all about being open to new experiences, whether it's ordering at a fast food joint or trying a wild flavor combo.
Wow, I love that. So what's the takeaway here? Just go for it and embrace the adventure?
Exactly. Life's too short to stick to the same old order. So, next time you're at the counter, remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Enjoy every bite.
Yes, I'm definitely going to try something new next time. Thanks for the inspiration. Laughs.